Denver 7. This is 7 News.
Well, thanks to that photo op, the whole world now is familiar with the museum's solar panels.
But there's another project right down the street from the museum that's so green, it's brown. 7 News reporter Tyler Lopez shows us how the Denver Zoo is turning animal waste into power.
Mimi and Dolly, the Asian elephants, produce 150 to 200 pounds of waste between them every day. For the past month, staffers at the Denver Zoo have been trying to recycle that product.
We need to do something with this. We want to clean it. And if we can, we want to gain additional benefits from it.
Using a homemade press to reduce the moisture content.
That's the sound of energy.
To eventually allow for a process called gasification, turning dense solid matter into power at a facility yet to be built on zoo grounds.
No one's really cracked that nut. And so we think that this project is an exciting project and certainly fits the new energy economy.
As it is now, tons of this poop from elephants and all the other animals ends up in the landfill. But now this concentrated liquid waste goes across town to a lab on the Auraria campus. UC Denver bioenergy researcher Dr. Jason Wren is making electricity with it right now. These reactors could power a strand of Christmas lights, their microbial fuel cells.
So that's the electrode we are using.
Graphite fibers react with live bacteria, taken from wastewater treatment plants and shaken to encourage growth. They literally eat the liquid elephant waste, converting it into electrons that power the electrode and make energy. 2 years ago, Dr. Wren helped colleagues at Penn State power a fan using this process. His goals now match his current subjects.
Right now, I cannot guarantee it can power the whole house, but at least, in some years, we are hoping we can power a TV or refrigerator.
And this is what you're left with. Water plus excess microbial sludge or bacteria, which could be used by farmers as fertilizer. In just 1 month, he has learned plenty.
It's quite concentrated. The poop is really bad.
Ongoing power demands could soon have a new supply. They hope to use that electricity to trim their utility bills by 15% and cut trips to the landfill. The project manager hopes they can save $200,000 a year here if this poop to power experiment pays off. At the Denver Zoo, Tyler Lopez, 7 News.
Well, Dr. Wren called the Denver Zoo in January right after he saw a story here on 7 News about the zoo's efforts to go green. He hopes to use the data collected to write a new research grant proposal to increase funding for that project.
Well, for all your business news, including the unusual, go to thedenverchannel.com. Click on the Road to Recovery. We'll continue to bring you stories along that road to recovery every Thursday at 4:30.